What's good, YouTube? Underworld6667 here with Reeni. As always, buy the shirts in the description bar below. Buy the mat, which you can see in episode 1 of these box opening of case openings. This is number 2 of 5. So let's get right into it. Reeni, which one do you want to choose this time? This one? She chose the other side the first time. However, I'm going to... What the hell happened to our scissors? What the fuck did you do with them?
All the way over there.
Well, how the hell did they get over there?
I don't know. What do you use that for?
The tweezers. Oh, you mean the...
Pluck.
I pluck my eyebrows. I'm so super metrosexual, of course. Don't I bode the metrosexuality of a fashionable man? Oh my god, so much packaging! No! Hulk it up, bitch! Oh god, what are you stabbing with the scissors? Y'all saw that? I caught that on camera. Hacha! Hacha!
Super cool misprint.
Oh god, oh god. Oh god! That did not work very well.
You didn't cut this one.
I did not cut that one. The rest should be cut. Cut you in a second. Alright, that one's cut. Alright, let's get right into it. Jesus. Do you have any idea how difficult this thing is, YouTube? Hopefully you guys understand how difficult this all is. And how much packaging and shit is wasted on this crap. Alright, first pack of the first box. I pulled all the great stuff last time and won the day. So you guys will see me do that again. Number 32 Shark Drake. Dragon Necro Nether Soul Dragon. Power Tool Mecha Dragon. Spirit Reaper, of course. Necro Gardener.
Dark Flare. Gimmick Puppet. Black Feather. Caius. And Swords of the Revealing Light.
Alright, I am going to pull a Gagaga Magician, Utopia Buster, Gimmick Puppet Magnet Doll, Icarus Attack, and Chaos Sorcerer.
Solar Recharge. Underworld6667.
If you don't understand why she's calling that card me, you have to watch episode 1. Sorry.
Number 13. Stardust Dragon View. And Gravekeeper Spy.
Sneaky, sneaky. First come, first serve, the good cards. This is the third pack of the first box. Fire Formation Tanky. And a Slifer the Sky Dragon. Yeah, I pull all the gods. Number C88 Gimmick Puppet Disaster Leo. Mind Control. And last but not least, Gold Woo Lord of Dark World.
Tiger King. Number C6. Number C15. Spirit Reaper. And Summoner Monk.
If you're wondering why she's talking so quiet, she's not feeling well. Yet she's still opening packs for you guys. Yeah, better press that like button now. First pack of the second box, ladies and gentlemen. She almost hit me in the face. Did you see that? She stabbed me already in this video and almost hit me in the face. Wow, nice. Solar Recharge. Big Belly Knight. Rank Up Magic Argent Chaos Force. Mizuki. Blackwing Armor Master.
Lone Fire Blossom.
Ew, plants.
Raw.
Oh, pulls out the
right?
god, right?
Number 82. Chimera Tech. And Winged Blast.
Dark Magician Girl. Gimmick Puppy. Gimmick Puppy. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Gimmick Puppet Dreary Doll. Number C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Trap Stun. and Breaker the Magical Warrior.
Forbidden Dress.
Of course, the girl gets the dress.
Chronomaly. The Gaga spell card. Ryza. And Breaker.
The Magical Warrior. Eclipse Wyvern. This is the third pack of the second box. Eclipse Wyvern. Chronomaly City Babylon. Blah blah blah. Number C15 Gimmick Puppet Giant Hunter. Gold Sarko. And last but not least, Chaos Caius, the Shadow Monarch. Not Chaos, the Shadow Monarch.
Number 32. Number C9. Dinothurium. Mirror Force.
Ooh.
And Plague Spider.
This is... Take your own boxes.
Oh.
She's trying to steal my box. Did you see that? She's trying to steal my box. That one has all the god cards in it, that's why. I know. I know. Thieves. What can I say? Tried to steal my box. Can't even open this pack. Jesus Christ. Lone Fire Blossom. Gimmick Puppet Humpty Dumpty. No, you're not getting my Lone Fires. Number C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings. Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. And Des Volscaf.
Gaga Magician. Chronomaly. Ghosts of a Grudge.
Wow, you love that card, eh?
I know, right? Tap Grubbies. Bottomless Truffle. And Plague Spreader.
Yeah, you got a bottomless trap hole. Forbidden Dress. Gimmick Puppet Magnet Doll. Junk Puppet. Blackwinged Armor Master. And Judgment Dragon. No, mine.
Crane Crane. Junk Puppet. Chronomaly. Titanial. And Cyber Dragon.
Number 32, Shark Drake. Gaga Academy Emergency Network. Number C9, Chaos Dyson Sphere. A Trap Stun. Chaos Sorcerer. And that's all for me.
Thunder King. Chalice. Number C40. Chronomaly Dude. Chimera Tech.
And this is the fourth box. This is the one that Reeni was trying to steal. So if I pull good, we all know why. Because she tried to teeth it. Oh, I'm starting out for the Crane. A number 31 embodiment of punishment. Big Belly Knight.
Underworld667.
Caius the Shadow Monarch. Swords of Revealing Light. And that's it for pack numero uno.
Dark Flare. Gimmick Puppet.
Dreary Doll?
Yes.
Yep. That's the expensive one.
Number 31. Is it?
Mm-hmm. Apparently.
Dustbolt
Scaff.
Dude. Rhoda. That's it.
Fire Formation Tanky. Yeah, I knew why you're stealing this one. She plays Burgeons. Chronomaly Gordian Knot. Embodiment of Punishment. Morphing Jar with his trolley troll face. Raiko the Lightsworn Hunter. And that's it.
Galaxy Ice Photon. Chronomaly Guardian Knot. Number C30. Wait. No, 88.
Idiot.
Judgment Dragon.
Uh-huh.
Blue
Knew I was
Eyes.
gonna get that one stolen. Blue Eyes Ultimate, yeah.
That's it.
Light Pulsar Dragon. Yeah, see, this is why you're stealing it. Obelisk the Tormentor. Sorry. Black Feather Dark Rage Dragon. Gravekeeper Spy. and Mirror Force.
Gaga Magician, Chronomaly Tula Guardian, Dragon Necro, a Chaos Sorcerer, and Blackwing Armor Master.
Last box, ladies and gentlemen, in this lovely pack opening, full of trying to stab me and stealing my boxes and stuff, stealing my Judgment Dragons over there and acting all innocent. This is her innocent face, look. See? Innocent face. That's what it is. Always watch for that innocent face. Galaxy Photon Dragon, Chronomaly Tula Guardian, number C40 Gimmick Puppet of Dark Strings, Dark Arm Dragon, Titanial Princess of Camilla. Oh my god!
Tiger King.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Haven't seen those ones yet.
Dinah Dude. Yeah, I saw one before.
Did you? Oh.
Yeah. Junk Puppet.
Shows how much I was paying attention.
Titania. And Cyber Dragon.
In my second last pack, Gaga Magician, Gimmick Puppet Dreary Doll, Junk Puppet, Gold Woolord of Dark World, Blackwinged Armed Wing.
I finally got it.
What?
Effect Veiler.
Wow, took only what, 4 boxes and we got 1. That's so far so good.
Utopia Buster.
Wow.
Belize. Oh my god, I got Belize and Effect Veiler. I'm so awesome. Chimera Tech.
Yep.
And Thunder King.
Forbidden Chalice. I also got a Belize. Pff, hello.
But you didn't get the Effect Veiler.
Silent Wabi, yeah, that's true. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning, though. Woo! Bottomless Trap Hole for the last one.
Solar Recharge. Number 31. Gimmick Puppet. Reiko. And Icarus Attack.
Thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys want to see a recap on the 6th day, once we've opened all these packs, we will give you a full, complete, and utter recap of what we actually pulled in all of these sets once I get her little grubby hands off of the ones that she's already started to steal. Thank you guys once again for watching. Make sure you push that little like button. Make sure you push that subscribe button. And as always, don't make those binder blunders.